Hi guys, welcome to Standing Seam Metal Roofing channel. We have tons of useful information for you. And every roofer can see and study and learn much more. I know you're looking for this information. About this, YouTube tells me you can learn much more about metal roofing installation in double lock style when you write down my online courses and we together step by step would be studying these difficult questions for beginners. I wish you good luck and see you later on my online standing seam courses. Thank you for watching.